Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you things you didn't know about Terraria. Terraria's early version had different textures, like a yellow shadow orb-light pair and an orange sky in the corruption biome. You can play the first version of Terraria through Steam's beta option. It's called 1.0.6 Deluxe Edition. Floating islands were originally chunks of land with a main ore, not just clouds. Mud blocks used to fall without support, but this was changed in early updates. Clown bombs used to destroy blocks until the 1.2 update. There was an unobtainable one-hit kill weapon that was removed in the 1.0.1 update. The first fractal was an early version of the Zenith sword with different mechanics. Copyrighted items like an Icor sword from World of Warcraft and 2 scythes from Soul Eater were briefly in the game but removed. Terraria has secret world seeds with unique rules. One secret seed was a mix of several others with shimmer replacing half of the liquids. This was created during a charity event and shared by Chippy Gaming. The 10th and 9th anniversary seeds can be generated using their dates and can randomly generate when creating a world without a seed. 5 unused items exist in Terraria's files, including a mini flow invader and early Deerclops legs. The early Deerclops legs were replaced by the stink bug in the 1.4.4 update. 2012 Terraria Collector's Edition gave players a pet bunny that changes colors based on the player's shirt. This pet bunny is only obtainable through the disc version of the game, or by editing game files. Queen Slime's color is changed by the code, unlike most Terraria sprites. The tax collectors' names are all names of past US politicians. The Dread Nautilus was originally named Blood Nautilus in a Journey's End trailer. The angel statue was a placeholder for invalid items and had no use for over 10 years, until it became the Aether Monolith. Terraria's paintings from Reddit's r/place have been added to the game in updates. Shooting at the world's edge can sometimes produce grass hit sounds. The 3DS version of Terraria has a hidden fire flower image from Super Mario. Terraria had 2 official shows, an animated series and a Japanese playthrough series. A Terraria game called Terraria Otherworld was a spin-off game. It was announced but later cancelled. Terraria 2 is planned, but details are scarce, with the developers wanting to use newer coding. Terraria has different versions, including a Japanese and a Chinese version with exclusive content. The old Chinese version had loot boxes and microtransactions. The Chinese version had a cut Chinese New Year event with unique items and enemies. The Wall of Flesh was shown from a front-facing perspective in Japanese PS Vita version, and on a recent coffee mug. Terraria's creator was working on a Mario Maker-like game before Terraria. Nintendo's copyright concerns led to a color change in the hero sets on the Wii U and 3DS. Platform-exclusive pets were removed and were more powerful than current pets. Unreleased pets include an Amazon drone and a golden turtle. Geometry Dash added Terraria and Calamity mod icons. The company behind Terraria donated $100,000 to the Go.game engine. Terraria once had a collaboration with One Drop Yo-Yos. Relogic worked with Make-A-Wish to add a vanity set and a new filter to the game. A fan-made mobile version of Terraria called Branches existed before the official release. Terraria console collector's editions included trading cards. A Terraria smartwatch collaboration was planned but failed. A $900 forest biome statue was planned but never released. Fan-made Terraria games like Terraria 3D and PSP recreations exist. A 3DS save editor called Terra Inventory Edit allows for item editing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!